Hi, I'm Brianna with Corbin Saddles, and today we're going to install the Corbin undertail kit for the Indian FTR 1200. First, we're going to remove the seat. To do this, you're going to need a T40 Torx wrench and a 6mm Allen wrench. Using the Torx wrench, remove these 4 bolts on the handrails. Using the Allen wrench, remove these 2 bolts. Now remove the seat. Remove the license plate. Remove these 3 bolts from the fender. Disconnect the 3 electrical connectors and remove the fender. There's no need to mark them as they only plug in one way. Remove this rubber grommet, then pull the wires out of the bracket. Disconnect this wire pigtail, which we will be reusing. Using the 6mm Allen wrench, remove these 3 bolts that hold the bracket to the swing arm. It may be helpful to have somebody hold the bracket for you. Now we're going to reroute this wire from the swing arm underneath the tail section. Cut the 3 zip ties that secure the wire. One of them is way back here. Push the wire towards the front of the bike so you can grab it and gently pull it through. Now you can reroute the wire under the frame up into the tail section. Go under the bracket for the fuel bump and tuck it into the tail section and bring it to this point. Remove these 4 bolts from the seat support bracket and remove these 2 bolts from the rear of the fuel tank. Now get the pigtail that we removed earlier. Tape the 3 connector ends to make it easier to feed. Lift up the rear of the tank and use the taped end of the pigtail to feed it through. Feed the pigtail through until you have about 6 inches on the bottom. Now reconnect the pigtail to the wire that we rerouted. Neatly tuck the wires under the tail section and bundle any excess in the open space. Reinstall the seat support bracket and the fuel tank bolts. Using the T30 Torx wrench, transfer your turn signals to the Corbin undertail. Using an 8mm socket wrench, transfer the license plate light to the Corbin undertail. You're now ready to install the Corbin undertail using the 4 included 8mm button head bolts. We recommend using blue Loctite and tighten snugly using the 6mm Allen wrench. Reconnect the pigtail to your turn signals and license plate light. Now install your license plate to the Corbin undertail. Reinstall your seat with your grab rails and you're ready to roll. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to contact us at the information given below. Thanks for watching, and as always, enjoy the ride.